What is your name?
Layla Campa.
What is your major?
My major is in business management.
What are the responsibilities of a project manager?
I want to say that the responsibilities of a project manager are to lead the project, uh, deliver on the deliverables, and keep the project on time and scale.
What are some workshops or courses you recommend for aspiring project managers?
It depends. I would say there's different levels. So, like, if you were just starting to get into it, I would definitely say go into like project management, the introduction, and then you can definitely build on those skills. But it starts a really good foundation. And then there's also certificates and stuff like that once you start leading projects.
Why did you decide to start projects?
I decided to start projects because I needed more enrichment within my job, and I felt like I could contribute a lot when I am doing a project,
What
and a
ca-
lot of collaboration.
what characterizes a good project manager?
I would say a good project manager is somebody who definitely listens and asks a lot of questions, and also, the communication part is huge, especially when you're leading other people from different departments and different organizations. You really have to be able to communicate correctly and fully of what the expectation is.
What characterizes a good project team?
I would say a good team is a team that really wants to deliver on the deliverables, that are willing to be flexible and really has the buy-in, for the project.
What are some downsides to the role?
Downsides to the role are when there's difficult people and lots of opinions, and then there is no clear direction. That makes it really hard for people to stay on track and to get, to deliver what is important.
What previous jobs prepared you for this role?
I would say in my previous job, I was in management, so already having some leadership type skills helped me to really prepare for this. I would say there's other characteristics or things that you can build upon those skills to be able to effectively manage a project. You just really have to identify those key roles that you really want to do within the project and, definitely learn them.
What was one experience that you failed and learned from in becoming a leader in projects?
I want to say right now, through this project that I'm on, the thing that I really failed in was I was showing virtually how to do an item, and I could see it in my head. I knew exactly how it should look, but when I got on virtually, I started going down that path, and it just came out so misjumbled that nobody knew exactly what I was doing. So I really had to stop and really rethink how can I convey the message that I really want to get across.
Okay. And how do you deal with unruly team members of this project?
So luckily I haven't had unruly team members. I know that what I would do personally is that if I did have an unruly team member, usually I give them the more slack to do what they feel they need to do. But if it starts becoming where they're not being able to deliver on time, things like that, then I start closing that gap where I start communicating even more to that person and really having them, commit to times and be able to deliver on those times and hold them to it.
Okay. What factors improve teamwork and success?
I want to say that honesty and transparency definitely improve teamwork and success. When people feel included and they get the information they need, they feel more successful and feel like they can do a better job.
Is there anything you would change about the role in your current organization?
I would say I would. The project managers in our organization, they're pretty much set to who, specific people. So I would open it up to allow other people to gain more experience in that field and to be able to really participate in a way that they can lead a project.
Okay, and there's always cases that decisions are out of your control. How do you handle that internally within yourself and cascading to the team?
So in this last project, there has been a lot of decisions that have been changed, and definitely, it's like day by day. You don't know what the decision is going to be or what the information is going to be. So what I've really had to do was be flexible with that information, keep the team definitely involved and engaged by allowing them to give me feedback of the things that the information that I've been able to give them. Some days it's been like, I really don't know what's going to happen, but let's check in tomorrow and let's keep moving. So I think that's been a good way to cascade it to the team. And they still feel like I still have their buy-in because they feel I'm still leading them. I didn't leave them in the dark.
Okay, and do you plan to continue in this role?
I do. I actually really enjoy pushing the business forward with projects and really being able to solve customer problems. So I feel like it's just an amazing opportunity and a fun way and sometimes stressful way to make that happen.
And what are some values that are important to you as a project leader?
I would say what's important to me is that definitely the stakeholders buy-in, and a clear direction from the customer exactly what they're trying to solve, so that I'm able to help facilitate that and really be able to deliver what they're asking for.
Have you ever questioned if you made the right decision to lead projects?
Yeah. Especially when it's stressful or crazy, you definitely question, like, why did I get into this? And then I just have to remind myself there's a bigger picture, and, all I can do is the best that I can do on a daily basis. And
what is success to you?
Success to me is definitely being able to deliver on the deliverables to the customer, and the customer being happy with the result. That to me in a project is success. And being able to work with others, there's different situations within the project that you really have to, be flexible and learn other styles. So that's been, pretty successful in my eyes.
And can you quickly describe a project that went wrong?
Oh, the projects that I've been on, I feel like, the stakeholders haven't really given a complete, clear direction on it. Okay, let's back up. So they have given a clear direction, but they have not, there's been so many pieces to the puzzle that they haven't finalized all those pieces. So the part that I am leading keeps getting changed. And so it feels like it keeps going wrong, but I just have to keep on track and know that I can deliver on what I promised and just be able to execute.
And what are the benefits of this role?
The benefits of this role are to be able to lead. You're able to have organization skills. You're able to work with a lot of different people from a lot of different departments and maybe organizations later on. It really shows other people that you can be a team player. Even in your own personal growth, you are able to use all of these skills to help further like your job and, you know, like with the organizational skills and stuff like that.
And what do you do when you feel overworked and stressed?
Some days I just go and exercise just to make sure that I get all the tension out of my body and just try to really start each day as a new day and then really make goals for that day and then really try to deliver on those goals.
And do you have a support system?
I do. I have friends, family, coworkers, very supportive, and so I'm able to just check in and say, here, I need a sanity check.
If you could go back and tell yourself one piece of advice, what advice would you give?
I would definitely say that the advice I would give myself is that the lessons learned through the project is like go back and actually apply those lessons learned and really take them in and soak them in. And it's so easy to forget like the next project that you start. What was the lesson learned from the last one and how do I not repeat it in this one?
What is one thing you didn't expect to handle as a project manager?
I think that I was expecting that I wasn't going to have to deal with so many upper management, just like hats, right? So I knew that like the customer has, a problem they want to solve. But then as you go down the project, there's all these different management people that want to put their opinion into this. And you really have to like think, well, are they really, you don't want them to scare you off of your project. So you really have to think like the customer is this person. I can bring those ideas, but I don't want there to be scope creep, right?
Yes. So do you ever think you would be in this position?
Actually, no. If I can look back like 5 years ago, I never thought that I would be leading a project or even participating in projects. It was actually something I didn't even know that I liked.
Now for our last and final question, what is your greatest accomplishment?
My greatest accomplishment was, I want to say that it was my first project when I was able to deliver on the deliverables and finish the project. I really felt like I had birthed a baby. And so it was so exhilarating and I was just so happy that I was able to actually complete a full project.
Thank you.